My second topic is business analytics and Google Analytics. So let's jump right in. Business analytics is using tools and technology to turn data into insight. And so that process looks something like this. You find a business problem, you plan the work to solve the problem, analyze the problem, formulate a plan, ask questions about the data that you're using. What kind of data do you need? What kind of data do you have? And then you present a business case. You do costs versus benefits, find support for the plan from your superiors and that kind of thing. And then finally, you process the data, you sort it, you clean it, you analyze it, you interpret it, and put it into a visualization tool. And then specifically for Google Analytics, this allows people to track and report website traffic and then subsequent data that you find from the website traffic. It uses JavaScript to collect all the data and it logs interactions and user data as well. It uses tracking code that shows hits, that should say hits, and string of user info. So that is where the data comes from. And then there's hit level data, session level data, and user level data. So user level data is, of course, user information, personal information. That hit level data is going to be like clicks on a web page or an advertisement. And then finally, the session level data is kind of like your like network session and that instance. So that is business analytics and Google Analytics.